Hello guys, this is Dinesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to interact with Klock AI agent. In this project, we will get every prompt we use, we get around 10 points. You can track your points here. First, go to the site, connect your MetaMask wallet, and sign in the transaction, and then choose the AI. I am using uh, Llama 3.7. So first what you have to do is just click any of the prompt which is below in the ask me anything tab. So I'm going to use this help me brainstorm startup ideas. So I got 10 points here, and then what you have to do is go to the left side and click the plus icon, click new chat, and then choose this one. You can check your prompts balance here. So okay, and the 20 points added, I'm going to use it again. Click plus icon, going to use this prompt. So if you use the referral link, after third prompt, you will get extra 100 points. So you can get around 100 points for this 10 prompt. So as if now I have used 3 prompts, so I got 30 points. So balance I have 7 prompts pending. So use this AI agent every day. You can get 100 points every day. Okay. So you will get every day 10 prompts. Each prompt you will get 10 points. So 3 prompts done. So fourth one I'm going to use. You can just repeat the same prompt. It's not a matter, but don't forget to create new chart before using the prompt. Okay, that's it guys. Very simple task only. Don't miss this. See you on next video. Thank you so much.